Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna check out top 3 best budget mechanical keyboards. Starting at number 3. Logitech G910 Orion. Between its 113 key layout, dedicated media keys, phone stand, and detachable wrist rest, the Logitech's G910 Orion is an absolute behemoth of a keyboard. And despite its rich feature set, the G910 is still a budget keyboard. One way Logitech cuts costs is by producing their own custom Roamer G switches. These closely compare to Cherry MX Brown switches, which are tactile and comparatively quiet. The Roamer GS even spring back slightly faster, while still requiring the same actuation force. And though the switches are probably the main attraction, this keyboard offers lots of other features that might entice gamers. The RGB backlighting is fully customizable, so if you think the preset rainbow patterns are a bit much, then just set them to solid white, so it looks more like the beloved G610 Orion. The G910 also has 9 programmable macro keys that can be configured via an accompanying software to bind different keystroke sequences to one button. It also has dedicated play, pause, tracking, and mute buttons, plus a volume scroll wheel to match. As you can guess, though, this keyboard takes up a whole lot of space on your desk. Additionally, the acrylic wrist rest dock attracts fingerprints easily. But that said, if you like customize and tweak settings, this is the best budget mechanical keyboard to satiate your urges. Check out the description for more information and latest price. Coming at number 2. Corsair K63 Compact. The Corsair K66 is a no-nonsense cheap mechanical keyboard that puts performance before presentation. This keyboard forgoes fancy RGB LEDs and accessories to bring high-performance switches to an inexpensive package. The K66 delivers smooth linear key travel thanks to its Cherry MX Red switches, which are the standard switches you'd expect to find on high-end mech keyboards. These keys are notably quieter than budget switches, while still offering fast travel and tactile feedback. They support full key rollover, which means if you pressed every key down at once, it would register every single one. It is also fully anti-ghosting, further improving accuracy. This 104 key model has a full number pad, plus dedicated media hotkeys. My personal favorite inclusion is the Windows key lock, which prevents you from accidentally switching to your desktop in the middle of a full screen game. Corsair's FreeQ software allows you to fully reprogram this keyboard. The most useful application is setting up macro commands to streamline your work or gaming. Ultimately, this keyboard is best suited to gaming, but those who want a silent and tactile typing experience will have a fantastic time using this keyboard as well. Check out the description for more information and latest price. And number 1 of this list, Logitech K845. While Logitech offers plenty of over-the-top gaming keyboards in their G line of products, there is something innately charming about the simplicity of the Logitech K845. This humbly designed 104-key keyboard delivers a solid typing experience with minimal distractions, and when you are shopping on a budget, it pays to stay focused on performance. As for the performance factor, the K845 gives you a few options. This keyboard comes with linear red, clicky blue, or tactile brown TTC switches, so you can choose the best switch for your needs. You can also spend a little more to get a K845 with Cherry MX switches if you have a preference for the name brand. No matter which style you choose, it will have multimedia shortcuts bound to the function row. The keys are backlit with white LEDs, and they have a handful of built-in lighting patterns. They can also be dimmed and disabled if you find them to be distracting. The keycaps themselves are made with ABS and feel a little thin, but this is to be expected at this price point. And while I am being critical, I would have loved to see even a basic wrist rest packaged with the keyboard. But considering how much money you are saving choosing the Logitech K845 over, say, their fully loaded Logitech G915, it shouldn't be a problem for you to buy a separate wrist rest. You can also put some of that leftover cash towards a new MMO gaming mouse. I have included this product links in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and share with your friends.